there's a story with every soul dance. There's a story with every soul song. And that story has to do with our soul's story, our experience. We talk about souls having lived many lifetimes, not just one lifetime, but even if it's just one lifetime, we all have lots of stories from this lifetime. But it's also the stories of our ancestors that we carry. We carry that in the DNA, in the RNA, in the memory banks, and the great information highway. So every dance, every song has a story, and really it's just about us sharing that story, isn't it?
Definitely. And this story that we have, upon shared, can help others. That is the most powerful essence, because if we communicate, just like how you say, we cannot quantify love, we can only share love, and that sharing brings it out to others.